Once your account has been created and you have installed your app, you are ready to log in. To log in, enter your details, your email address and your password, and tap on Login. Once logged in, it will take you to the first screen, which is the company you have just set up, and tap on Import. This will download all the data from your account into the app, including your checklist and your company details. In case the first screen is not showing, you can still import the data by going into the menu and import audit config. Once on this screen, tap Import. Now we are ready to start an audit. To start an audit, simply tap on the icon of the audit. In our case, we only have weekly COVID store check. And once you tapped on weekly COVID store check, you will have another screen that will ask you for your location, your date, and the name of the auditor. To start the audit, simply tap on Start. A quick note, on the right hand side, you will have the live chat. So in case you have any questions, you can always reach us by tapping on this icon and starting a conversation with the support team. Once you are ready, you can click on Start to start the audit. Once you have started the audit, you will notice the list of questions with all relevant answers for each question. At the top, you will notice the name of the audit you have just started. Staff communication will be one of the sections of this audit. On the right hand side of the screen, you will notice a few icons. One is the picture icon, which will give you the ability to attach pictures. These can be attached from the gallery, but we'll highly recommend you to take pictures from the camera. And the second one is the ability to add extra comments for each question in case you want to expand your findings. And the second icon is the Add Comments button. This will allow you to add extra comments as per your findings for each question. I will now go ahead and fill in the audit. Tapping on random answers, you will find out that each answer is color coded. So if the answer is positive, it will be highlighted in green. If the answer is negative, it will be highlighted in red. And if the answer is neutral, not applicable, it will be highlighted in amber or yellow. Some of the questions will be conditional questions, meaning that if specific answers have been pressed, they will trigger extra questions. In our case, question number 4, when no is pressed, will have extra questions shown. And if answer yes is chosen, then it will hide the questions up to question 8. If my answer will remain yes, the conditional question will be hidden on the PDF report that will generate at the end as well. So attaching pictures for each question is easy. You just have to tap on the camera icon and take a photo from the camera. I'm just going to choose from the gallery. And multiple pictures can be attached as well. Once a picture has been loaded, you can highlight with your finger to make it more obvious what you're trying to showcase in that picture. And also you can add extra comments. Some of the questions will have mandatory pictures that needs to be attached, so when the question will be answered, a pop-up will show to attach a picture. And you will see a small red asterisk near the camera icon. Once we reached at the end of our report, just tap next to go at the last screen where we can add extra comments for this report if needed. Just sign the document and then tap next. On this screen you will notice some circles. This top circle will show you how many questions we have missed. In case there are any questions missed, we can just tap on this circle and we will have only the questions that we have missed or not answered shown, so we can quickly answer them and then tap next to go back to the same screen. Now we have 3 steps. The first step is sync to cloud. This button will push the data from your device to the cloud, and once it's ready you will notice a message at the bottom, synced successfully. Once the sync has been successful, then we are ready to see the PDF report, and we can do so by just tapping download reports, the middle button. This will generate the report in a PDF format, so we can scroll down and we can see all our answers, and you will notice that previous answer will show as well, so we can quickly see if there are any continuous failures on any of the questions. For each previous answer you will notice there is a date as well, so you can identify when each answer has been taken. Also at the bottom of the screen you will notice there is a guide for the score, for the overall score, if it's in between 0 and 69.99, so basically 70% improvement will be needed. If it's between 70 and 90%, it will be marked as good, and if it's between 90% and 100%, it will be marked as excellent. On the top of the report you will notice that it will have the name of your company, and also at the bottom it will have the name of the checklist we have just completed. Scrolling down you will notice all the pictures with all the annotations that we did, and scrolling all the way down we can see the signature as well. At this stage, if we are not happy with the report, we can go back and make changes to the report. So we can simply close the PDF. We can go back on the report and we can make changes to our report, and these changes will be reflected in the PDF report when we're going to generate it again. Once the changes have been completed, you can go next and next again, and then again sync to cloud and generate the PDF by clicking on download reports. We can see that the overall score has changed. We have 76% now, and scrolling down we can see the details of all the questions we have answered and all the pictures that we have attached with our annotations. So once we are happy, we can close this PDF and we can mark as completed. Marking as completed will close the PDF, so you won't be able to go back and make any changes to the report, so make sure you're happy with the report before completing the report. And also by tapping on mark as completed, it will generate an email that will be sent to your mailbox with the PDF as an attachment. Once you're happy with the report, you can tap yes to send the email to your mailbox. To view all the PDFs or all the reports you have generated from your account, go to the menu, list of audits, and then from here you will be able to filter down by tapping on the 3 dots on the right hand side and filter by date or by status to find the reports that you want to see. To filter by date, you have a filter for today, yesterday, the last 7 days, last 30 days, or custom range, where you can customize the ranges where you want to see the reports. Once the dates have been selected, you can scroll down and see the reports that you have completed by having this icon here, where it shows also that the report has been approved. You can see the dates on the right hand side and also the name of the inspection. The app works in an offline mode as well. So you can create reports and continue them at any point you want. The system will save the reports and you'll be able to open them at a later stage. As an example, I'm going to start a report and I'm just going to click the first 3 questions as yes, and then I can go back and start a new audit. My previous audit will be saved in the list of audits. So if I go list of audits from the menu, I will be able to see the reports that I have done today, filter by date, today only. So I've got 3 reports today, 2 of them have been left in progress, 1 of them is approved. To continue a report, you have to find it in the list of audits, go edit, open audit, and it's going to show you the report with the saved answers, and you can continue from where you left it.